Her the title of Female Vocalist of the Year in 2006. She's had several albums since. As a matter of fact, I'll let you in on something that's happening today. She's actually got a new album that's going to be released on Tuesday. But because you're here today, you'll have a chance to buy that album right inside the ABC store. And after she performs, she'll be there to sign autographs, sign the album as well. So you're going to have a great opportunity by being one of the first ones to get your hands on this. So that's pretty sweet. So once again, if you could, put your hands together and welcome to the stage, Natalie I. Kamau.
We're so happy to be here, celebrating the 4th of July Independence Day, here at the beautiful Ala Moana Shopping Center. We're escaping the heat. I'd love to be on a beach, but hey, this is way better. I'm gonna tease you, I please you when I sing my song, and then I tease you and I please you when I hula hula. The beach is Waikiki is where you wanna be. When I hear say do the lips under the moon, my hula hands will tell me stories and you'll never hear my sing. Aloha will obliterate your everything. And with my teeth skirt, it won't be hard to find. When I romance you, when dancing you my song, I flash my lashes when I see you look away. I turn around when I need to walk away. Then over my shoulder I wink and my instincts tell me you don't want this song to ever end. My knees, my song is almost done. I believe you when they say I've had a lot of fun. I'm coming down in my endearing style. Oh Jesus, you call me so let's see. I'm gonna tease you, I tease you when I sing my song, and then I tease you and I please you when I hula hula. The beach is Waikiki is where you wanna be. When I hips they do the dips under the moon, my hula hands will tell you stories that you'll never hear. My sweet aloha will obliterate your everything. And with my beauty skirt, it won't be hard to find. When I romance you, I'm dancing you my song. I flash my lashes when I see you look away. I turn around when I need to walk away. I wink and my instincts tell me you don't want the song to ever end. Never end. My song is almost done. I believe you when I say I've had a lot of fun. You're my endearing style. Forget the birds and bees. You're my main squeeze. The Jesus here, all the hula oh yeah. Mahalo, aloha. I can't explain why I'm feeling so nervous today. And I skipped a couple words in that song when I looked at ABC stores. That made me a little nervous. Anyways, before I go any further, I have to introduce you to these two guys that stand on the side of me. This is my husband, Iolani, and this is my brother, Ty. And dancing with us today is our daughter, Shalay. She asked me if I could talk a little, give her a little breather before this next song.